Nicolini Law Firm Damages, My Experience, Part 5. I had forwarded this report from Dr. Silverberg's office, right? I forwarded to ADRIAN Nicolini. Okay, this report was received on February 10, 2018, and ADRIAN Nicolini was in agreement, especially when the doctor stated here, there is no medical treatment that can heal an injury. She injured herself performing her job, and the pain will increase if she returns to that job. Please feel free to pause and read. I've already been through this in my MANULIFE presentation. Thank you. And ADRIAN Nicolini, I brought these two together because ADRIAN Nicolini received also a copy of the report, this fall's report from MANULIFE insurance specialist. Okay, the report was biased, so he is aware of the report, and I told him that I was never examined by this doctor, only sat and questioned for an hour. That is why I use the word psychoanalyze, because I don't know, certain questions just, I was wondering what it has to do with my injury. Okay, this was the correct report from Dr. Silverberg, who actually examined me, and he made his recommendation and all that, which was ignored by MANULIFE. Okay, please feel free to pause and read. The Wsib lawyer, ADRIAN Nicolini, was aware of all this. Okay, February 10, 2018, and and the assessment was done after. So I'm getting somewhere. Okay, I've included this fall's report, which was also given to ADRIAN Nicolini. Okay, this fall's report is from MANULIFE insurance specialist, Dr. Erin Boynton, right, who did not examine me, all right, but yet she's gonna say that my hand is fat. She said, which I would attribute to hand dominance. My hand was fat. That's what she's saying. Okay, feel free to review. I've already been through this. Okay. Thank you. I have included this portion of the report also from Dr. Erin Boynton, this fall's report. Okay, Dr. Erin Boynton is MANULIFE insurance specialist. All right, and it was forwarded to ADRIAN Nicolini, just reminding you again. Okay, she did say that she would expect that my injury, right, would have been temporary and resolve over approximately 6 to 12 weeks, right? Now, based off the information that MANULIFE gave to this doctor, that my injury occurred in October 2017. That was my second time off work, October 2017, right? My injury occurred, as you can recall, in June 2016. We're now in 2018. And again, this specialist did not examine me. All right, I sat at her desk and she asked me all kind of questions that did not relate to my injury, and then came to her conclusion, all right, without examination. Here in the report, she said she'll be capable of returning to her position, the fast-paced position that actually got me in the situation with the injury. All right, she's thinking that I'm capable of returning, when Dr. Silverberg said I'm not capable of returning, right? Dr. Silverberg who examined me. Then now Dr. Erin Boynton, in the same paragraph, is going to state, providing a position where she did not have to do as much keyboarding if it were available, would be the ideal situation. It's right here, all right, if you can't see this. Now, isn't this confusing? In the same paragraph, no, yes, she can return, but no, maybe not. Maybe somewhere else would be ideal. She knows something was wrong. Please feel to review. Okay, thank you. March 2018 and April 2018. April 2018 continues over into my next presentation. Thank you. Based off the report from MANULIFE insurance specialist, Dr. Erin Boynton, right? She had stated in a report that my hand is just fat, okay? So I brought this to your attention before, and as you can see, my hand here, This, my hand actually looks the form, as you can see. Feel free to pause and read if you wish. Thank you. I know that I've been through this with you already. However, I just included it and others because this is now NICOLINI'S law's turn. Adrian Nicolini. Okay. Just want to show you proof that Adrian Nicolini was acting on my behalf in responding to MANULIFE Insurance, Adele Belzile. Okay. As I mentioned before, MANULIFE ignored Dr. Silverberg's report on February 10th, threatened me to see their specialist on the 21st of February. Okay. And their specialist, MANULIFE specialist, was very biased in her report. So the report was actually in favor of MANULIFE Insurance. Okay. And before they distributed the report, they actually sent a consent form for me to sign. Oh no, definitely not. Yeah, because to me, if I sign, it simply means that I am accepting this false report from their specialist, the insurance specialist, right, which would have overridden Dr. Silverberg's report. Hope you're understanding me, okay? And are you in agreement with me here, right? So on March 23rd, this is a second email from Adele to Adrian, right? I was copied in on it, and it says, we did not hear back from you on this. We now have the assessment results and will be able to provide the report shortly. We require to obtain the attached consent form, right, signed by your client, to be able to share the report with the treating physicians. Mark you, physicians, meaning that if I should sign this consent form, right, Dr. Silverberg would have received a copy of this false report, which in other words, I consented that it override his report, his true report on my injury, and the report will also go to my family doctor, Dr. James Chang. The report to go to the lawyer, report to go to me. Right? Wow. So, second attempt, I did not respond, and Adrian did not respond. Okay, Adrian Nicolini, that is the WSIB lawyer. And this is the letter, long-term disability information year attachment, for me to sign the form for consent. All right, please feel free to pause and read, and we'll see you over on part 2 of 2018. Okay, thank you so much for your time. Okay.